Hello everyone, I'm Malvika from Kerala. I just completed my master degree in computer science. I am preparing for UGC NET examinations. We all know that on 26th November we has finished our exam and it was a very moderate level exam for me. Also, it was my first experience. For cracking UGC NET, the only channel CombineCS the extra step by Rashmi Prabha ma'am. She has put a lot of effort in the back. Actually, she's the only person motivated us, and she has provided more notes, more PDF in every subject in detail. And I joined her 2-month course. It was really helpful to me, and also Asta ma'am, she has provided paper one classes, and both of us encouraging us, constantly providing notes, PDF, and these materials are all helping us throughout these days. And thank you Rashmi Prabha ma'am, thank you Asta ma'am, thank you so much.